Hey there, Allison with EverydayShortcuts.com. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be making a Halloween candy board. I mean, who doesn't love candy on Halloween, right? So I'm just going to kind of wing this and put this together. I am going to have a few other things besides candy, so technically like a candy cookie board, snack board, I guess whatever you want to call it. Anyways, it's a lot of fun and everybody's gonna love it. Perfect for parties. So let me show you like what, sorry for the noise, let me show you what I got. I found these spooky sandwich cream cookies. They have the green in there. Now Oreo does make the orange ones, but you know, I thought these were a little different and not the typical orange ones that everybody gets. I found those at Aldi and they're probably only for a limited time. So I also found these tiny little harvest cookies, which I thought was so cute. I had the orange in there. I don't know if I'm going to put the yellow on there, but maybe. But they're little miniature cookies. I also have these pumpkin cookies, which are really cute. And then I found these Halloween pretzels. Now for the candy. So really you can put any kind of candy that you want in there. I just kind of went through the Halloween section and just was kind of grabbing random candy. I don't know if I'm going to use this all, but I was just grabbing it just to see what I'm going to use. So I got some of the Dum Dum Suckers, some gummy bears. I don't know if I'm really going to use these, but I thought, you know, if you have younger kids, this one might be a good option to put on the board for them. I also found the ghoulish green candy, which is so cool. I mean, it tastes the same, but it just looks really cool. And I thought, you know, you could even break these apart and put them on the board to add some color on there. It also has the colorful M&Ms. And of course, can't forget the peanut M&Ms, but if there are peanut allergies, you're gonna want to leave those off. Those are the Halloween colors as well. The autumn mix, you know, candy corn that either you love them or you hate them. I thought these were really cool. I know they're blue. I was really hoping I could find like green or purple, but I could only find blue, so I thought maybe it would give it a pop of color on there. These are like candy ropes. And then I thought these were really cool. They do have some green in here, so I think I might put those on there. Got another bag of M&Ms, Halloween ones. And, okay, I got some not so Halloween-ish stuff, but I thought frogs. I mean, frogs kind of go with the Halloween theme, so. And, of course, the creepy crawlers. And then I really wanted the green Kit Kats, and I could only find like this bag. But it also has, you know, the fangs in there and the pumpkins. That would go good. And then last but not least, we have some Halloween pops, which are really fun. So also, I think I'm going to use, so I found some of these. This one, I don't remember where I got. But I did have these that I got at the dollar store, and I think I'm going to use these maybe for some of the candies to put throughout the board. So let's get started making this Halloween candy board. Okay, here is the final result. I think it turned out so good. It has so many good items, from cookies to pretzels to candy. I mean, what more could you love? This is perfect for like a Halloween party, or I mean, if you kind of want to just sit it out and pass it out for the kids, you can do that too. Or just put it as your centerpiece for your table. This is going to be the life of the party for real. Happy Halloween!